of mango. If you are not allowed to cut pieces of mango, then you can ask your parents or grandparents to cut them for you. Cherries, raisins, sugar, milk, and the mixer. And even at last, you can put some ice cubes if you want your mango cake to be creamy. So now let us start making the mango shake. Mango milkshake is ready and it's looking very tasty. I'm going to put it in the glass. So I have put it in the glass and now we will, for making it beautiful, I'm going to put cherries and raisins into it. Because this milkshake is super tasty. So if you like this recipe and your milkshake tastes very tasty, then don't forget to hit the like button